I built this n8n workflow to automate multi-carrier shipping quotes with AI right inside your WhatsApp. And this particular workflow can be also used by third-party resellers or third-party logistic companies too, as we already have the logic to include the commission rate to the original quote that was provided, and only the final rate will be posted to the user bank. So this was more like a proof of concept. So in production, we can extend the features and the possibilities by a lot. So let me just show you a demo of this particular system first, and after that, I will explain you how the data flow from node to node. Let us test the workflow. Okay, I just sent a message. Okay, the system was asking me for questions. So I simply gave everything that it simply asked me, and I also gave it the package, weight, and the dimensions and the quantity too. And by the way, if there is any data that was missing to be required for this particular workflow to run smoothly, the AI agent will hold on and simply ask the user back that particular data point which was actually missing. So nothing to worry. For now, I simply gave everything. So let's see whether we receive a quote or not. Perfect. We simply got a customized code. And if we simply choose to completely white label this whole thing, we can simply do it by updating the code node right here. So yeah, let me explain you how the data will flow from node to node. But before that, you need to make a note of two things. One is headers of this particular Google Sheet, quote ID, number, code, and time, because this is the dependency of this particular workflow. And another one is you just need to grab the carrier IDs from your ship engine, sorry, ShipStation API. Technically, this is the URL right here. So currently I am just in sandbox. So I simply grabbed the UPS, FedEx, and DHL carrier IDs. You can simply replace them right here. You can simply replace the carrier IDs right here so that we can simply for every single query we will get the shipping rates from those carriers only. Okay. So just make a note of these things. So firstly, whenever a WhatsApp message was received, this particular workflow will get triggered, and we will check whether there is actually WhatsApp message in it, or it was just a WhatsApp message status or not, or something. So we will be only passing the, I mean, triggers which do have WhatsApp messages in it. After that, we will check the WhatsApp mobile. Sorry, we will check the WhatsApp mobile against our high-level CRM to check whether the contact was already registered in our high-level CRM or not, and we will be doing a cross verification if the particular contact is present, and if he is not, we will just make sure if he was on do not disturb mode or not. Okay. So if the user was not on the do not disturb mode, then only we will I mean move forward with that particular lead. Let's say if there is no existing contact with that particular mobile number from WhatsApp, then AI will start asking questions to create a new contact with this particular tool. Okay. So only after, just a second, only after the user was simply created, we will only, the AI agent will simply ask for the origin and the destination and all the package details. Okay. So after creating the contact, then it will simply ask the questions. Once every required information was collected from the user, the AI will simply passes this particular data collection as true. Is data collection as true? Okay. Just have a look. This is the particular output right here. So we will be continuously checking for this particular value. So after that, you can simply set your commission rate. I simply gave it 10 as a sample one. And after that, we will be simply grabbing the original, shipping rates. And just for the demo, I simply use with the sandbox right here. Okay. So nothing serious. So after that, we will be simply processing the whole shipping codes from the ShipStation API. And after that, we will be giving the user the cheapest and the fastest quotation, which was included our commission rate too. So yeah. And after that, we will be simply saving that particular code in our Google Sheet. And after that, we will be sending that particular customized code which includes our commission to back to the user. So yeah, this is how the whole system will work, and this is how the data will flow from beginning to the end. So yeah, that's it for today.